Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of our favorite TV series, When Hope Calls. The cast members joining When Hope Calls Season 2 is finally confirmed. Know who is returning for When Hope Calls Season 2 and who will be gone. So do watch this video till the end to know everything. The popular spin-off series When Hope Calls is moving from Hallmark streaming network to the new TV network GAC family. The show's season 2 will premiere with a 2-part episode on December 18. Many actors who starred in the first season are returning to the series, but not everyone is returning. And here's what we know so far about who is returning for When Hope Calls season 2 and who's not returning. Ryan James Hatanaka is returning as Mountie Gabriel Kinslow, as he wrote on October 18, "So happy to pop off North last week. Jump into my red shirts and spend some time with my buds at When Hope Calls. Looking forward to showing you all our new chapter." Similarly, Kiana Teresa is joining When Hope Calls for the first time in season 2. Details about her character aren't known yet. She wrote on Instagram, "This beautiful girl is named Rain and she was so incredible on her first set ever. Kinda made all the human actors look subpar if I'm being honest. Definitely Brookfield's finest." Teresa previously starred in the last season of Good Witch as Joey. Morgan Cohan will also be returning as Lillian Walsh for season 2, according to press releases about the series. On October 18, while other actors shared photos from the set, Cohan shared a photo on Instagram and wrote, "The beginning of Fred's set dog career. No pay for him yet. He's still got some work to do." Similarly, Carter Ryans, who was last seen on When Calls the Heart, is joining the series as Abigail's son Cody. He will be in the 2-part premiere. Brian Bird, co-creator of the series, said that seeing Ryan again was more meaningful than you can imagine. In the same way, Jefferson Brown is returning as Joe Moody and Hannah Talbot is returning as Maggie Parsons. Wendy Crewson, who played Tess Stewart, is also returning, and Neil Core will return as Ronnie Stewart, Tess's brother-in-law. The exciting thing is that Lori Loughlin will also be starring on When Hope Calls in December, and Daniel Lissing will also be in the 2-part premiere. But his role has not been revealed yet. Lissing said in a statement, "I'm excited to be invited to participate in the season 2 premiere of When Hope Calls. I'm also very much looking forward to meeting the When Hope Calls team and to working with my friend Lori again." Similarly, Jocelyn Houdon played the role of Grace in season 1. She was one of the main characters in the series. And while Grace's sister Lillian will be in season 2, Houdon confirmed on Instagram that she is not returning. Houdon gave the same answer to another fan who asked on Instagram, writing, "No, I won't be. Grace was in all 10 episodes of When Hope Calls in season 1 along with Lillian." However, the future of some characters is not known yet. Chuck, played by Greg Hovnasian, was a love interest for Grace, who is not returning. Hovnasian has not yet revealed if he will be back. When he posted to Instagram on October 2, he didn't answer fan questions from fans about whether or not he was returning to the series. And some of the actors who played children in the orphanage are returning, including Ava Weiss and Liam McDonald. But it's not yet known if we'll be seeing Simon Webster, Kate Moyer, Riley O'Donnell, or Isaac Bailey. Additional characters who are unknown include Elizabeth Saunders and Kim Roberts. Now, talking about the series, the synopsis for episode 1 reads, "In the world premiere of When Hope Calls: A Country Christmas Part 1, a Christmas festival worthy of Harper's Bazaar happens in Brookfield as the community is one of the 3 contenders in the magazine search for America's #1 country Christmas town. The entire town is preoccupied with creating the essence of Christmas for the photojournalist lens. Though behind the scene, residents are not living the spirit of the season. In the midst of the fuss, a stagecoach appears and out steps Abigail Stanton and her son Cody, who have brought a troubled boy to Lillian's orphanage. Similarly, The synopsis for episode 2 reads, in the world premiere of When Hope Calls a Country Christmas Part 2, photojournalist Paul Franklin is wrapping his research on the community of Brookfield as a contender for America's #1 country Christmas town. By now, Paul blends in as the town prepares for Christmas Eve. Lillian, the orphans, and Gabriel are running out of options to restore the troubled boys' hope for better times. Just when all seems lost, a secret Santa appears to fulfill all holiday wishes, and Abigail has a profound conversation with a dear friend from the past. Meanwhile, Paul's lenses is recording every miraculous moment. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of When Hope Calls as it comes in. We will have all the burning When Hope Calls spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.